So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to apply conditional formatting in Power BI table. So for this tutorial I'll be working with this online retail dataset. It has many columns, but again we will be only using category, subcategory, sales and profit. And in the report main I have already made one table which has columns such as category, subcategory, profit and sales. Let's say I want to apply conditional formatting on this table. So let's see how we can do that. For that, go to format, and over here we have one option known as conditional formatting. Just click on this, and let's say we want to apply conditional formatting on sales first. And over here there are several options such as background color, font color, data bars. So let's say I want to change background color, so I will on this. And by default, Power BI has blue color theme. So in sales, if you see for maximum sales, then it will be having a darker shade of blue color, and if you are looking for minimum sales, then it will have a lighter shade of blue color. To see more details, click on advanced control. So over here, as you guys can see, it is going from minimum to maximum with light shade of blue color to the darker shade of blue color. We can change this color. Let's see, for minimum I want a light red, and for maximum I want a darker red. Just click on OK, and we have successfully changed the color theme as well. Now let's say for profit I want to create bars. So I have selected profit, and over here I will on this data bars, and in advanced control, for positive bars I will select this color, and for negative bar I will select, let's say, yellow. We'll click on OK, and now just click on profit, so it will get arranged in ascending order. Sorry, I guess descending order. So in this way we can apply background color formatting. Let's see how we can apply other things as well. So for that, select profit, and this time we will be applying data bars. So just on this, and in the advanced control I will change the color for positive bars to this one, and for negative bar to this one, and just click on OK. And in profit we have positive values as well as negative values. So the positive values have data bars with red color, and the negative value have violet type of color. So in this way we can apply conditional formatting on all the fields that are available in the table. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.